switch it off.
चलेगा, रहने दो आप ही,
Huh?
पता नहीं, रहने दो आप ही, चलेगा.
Okay,
हाँ,
I want you to talk about. We'll start that again.
yeah,
Okay, you spell your name in such a typical way. One
yeah,
small little letter of R,
yes, and then
small
the
R and
second capital R,
capital R.
yes,
What is
correct.
all that about? So inquisitive to know about it.
Yeah, so if you look at it, the reason why I chose to keep it like that was obviously I was told ki, keep an extra R. But for me, it's always a matter of whether I'm feeling happy doing something, whether I'm liking something. If I don't feel that, फिर मुझे नहीं करना है, you know. So I remember seeing Abram's name, Shah Rukh's son. It was being spelled with the R capital, and I found that so interesting. So then I just said, okay, you know what? Let me just see how my name will look like if I spell it with the second R being capital.
It looks attractive.
Right, it does. I'm so
Catchy.
happy you say that because even I feel it looks more like an artist name, because by the end of the day, it is an artist name. I mean, my full name is Elizabeth, right? So
Yeah.
I've created like Eli Avram. And the way we see, there's so many different artists all around the world who keep their name very unique and different in their own way. So I feel when it comes to that, we don't have to become very much like जैसे कुछ लोग ऐसे लगता है कि नहीं वो कितना अजीब है. No, it must be just two small R's, or like abroad, for example, in Sweden, they are like two R's. Like
Yeah.
that is not possible. But it's like, why is that not
Why is
possible?
that?
It's an
Of
artist
course, we
name.
have it.
It's not
Two
my
A
passport
also,
name,
yeah.
so I can actually keep it the way I want to. And I like that thing that you notice, because it's like you have E capital, you have A capital, and you have the R capital. So it's like it's in harmony with each other, like three capitals, Eli of Ram. Yeah, मुझे अच्छा लगा.
अब तो हिंदी भी अच्छी हो गई होगी
हाँ
ना
जी,
तुम्हारी.
हाँ
तो
जी.
बताओ बेइंतहा कब, व्हाट इज, क्या मीनिंग है, और बेइंतहा कब लगा तुम्हें? When did you
कब
feel
लगा,
like,
wow. Well, first of all,
Yeah.
film आज release हो रही है.
It's
and
a short
and
film, I
it's a
think.
short film. It's a musical short film.
Oh.
And I really love the concept. When I got approached for this, मुझे अच्छा लगा कि बस एक म्यूजिक वीडियो नहीं है, एक कहानी भी है. मतलब तो बहुत सारे एक्टिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस भी है. And I love watching short films myself. It's like short, it's crisp, it's entertaining. It's like you can watch it in the car or like wherever you can just
Nowadays,
watch it.
everything, small things are becoming very approachable.
Yes.
People don't want to.
ज्यादा लंबे चले, अगर 2 घंटे का फिल्म है तो मतलब टाइम निकलना पड़ेगा, प्लानिंग करना पड़ेगा, all of that. So ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, this concept. And also that it's releasing on like Tips official YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So it becomes very easy to share it with friends
Exactly.
all around the world. मतलब सब लोग देख सकते हैं. So I'm really enjoying that as well. I think it's very cool and nice. And yeah, सबको देखना चाहिए because it's a very like
emotional.
it's a beautiful love story. Yeah, it's a beautiful love story. मतलब बहुत सारा action भी है जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा ट्रेलर में.
Yeah.
लेकिन एक बहुत प्यारा love story actually है. So and it has a beautiful twist in it as well. मतलब है.
Okay.
बहुत सारे अच्छे elements है इसमें. Which, yeah.
Anything relatable to your life? Because we also come across so many things, and you being such a pretty little girl. Anything like relatable?
Yeah, I'm not lucky in love. I'm not lucky in love, but I don't know if I can say that is relatable in this film. But
Oh, such a beautiful little girl. How come you're not lucky in love? You must be choosy.
Oh, of course. Of course. I mean, actually, there is a fun thing. I find it funny when during the years, a lot of people have always said this, जैसे आपने कहा कि मतलब you're so pretty. I mean, it must not be difficult for you to find a guy, and and how can you still be single? बहुत लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं. But it's not about just being pretty, and it's not about it's not like a lot of people who might be desiring or wanting to date me or wanting to marry me. What about me?
Yeah,
I should also want to be with that person. I should also choose and feel that this person actually deserves me and will add some value into my life, because already I'm such an independent girl. I have taken care of myself for 12 years all alone in India. You know, I work on myself, my discipline, my routines. I work internally on myself, you know, to spiritually become even more enlightened, you know. There's so many things, and there's so many things which I value. And if I'm not able to find a life partner whose journey is similar, or who
And
is
above
also,
all,
you know,
amicable.
who is also like, uh, matlab, who will add something to my life, right?
Exactly,
Then to I will not compromise and just be like, because अकेले नहीं रहना चाहिए, so I should just have somebody in my life. मतलब मैं ऐसे नहीं हूँ. I enjoy my own company a lot, a lot. So
Solitary reaper.
and हाँ,
Solitary reaper.
इसका मतलब क्या है?
I mean, love to be, you know, enjoying life on a self, like solitary.
हाँ, मतलब
Even at times I
मैं
love
बहुत
to,
ऐसी हूँ
yes.
actually. I need my own space. I love to travel
I
alone.
remember I spoke to you about spirituality then.
Yeah, so you know, I
And
have my travel show
yes,
now,
you
also
have,
India with
yes.
Ellie,
Yeah.
where I've got to explore Bihar, I've got to explore Uttar Pradesh, Kashmir,
This is going
Jammu
to
Kashmir.
be telecast where?
No, this is already there on YouTube.
अच्छा,
Curly Tails
YouTube,
के
Curly
साथ,
Tails
yes,
के साथ, yeah.
Curly Tails के साथ. And that has been so beautiful to get to do this journey, and like we'll be exploring more places, and I feel so blessed because वो हमेशा मेरे अंदर था. I've always been very curious about like the mysteries in life, spirituality, ये सारी चीजें जो है मतलब क्या है? You know, I want to visit the holy
Inquisitive
places.
bee.
Yeah, I've
So
always
nice.
enjoyed it.
But you chose India. That's so good.
My soul chose
Soul
India.
chose
My
India.
soul
You
chose
have that
India.
Indian beauty, if I may say so. You know.
Thank you. I truly
yeah, so much
believe that I've been Indian in
Indianness.
past life.
Yeah.
I believe in those things at all. I think every foreigner who has that calling towards India, they have been Indian in past life. मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
You have that
Because think
Indianness.
about it. How is it possible that such a strong calling, like it's from, because the lifestyle and everything is so different in the West, right? But something is telling you कि you want to go to India. You know, it is your soul which is telling you this. I really feel so. Because जैसे मैं आई हूँ इंडिया में, मुझे एकदम ऐसा लगा कि मैं घर आ गई हूँ.
हाँ, it's home calling for you.
Yes, this is how I felt.
Nice.
मुझे कुछ अजीब नहीं लगा जब लोगों ने मुझे सब बताया कि दाल चावल ऐसे हाथ से खाते हैं, हम या फर्श पे बैठ के खाते, ये सब मतलब मुझे कुछ अजीब नहीं लगा. I was like, oh, okay. और मैं बस करती थी. You know,
so nice.
And और तब लोगों ने मुझे कहा कि you have definitely been an Indian in past life. उस टाइम पे मुझे मालूम नहीं था ये सारे चीजें क्या होता है, past life कर्मा वगैरह. So I was like, ये past life क्या होता है, एक ही जन्म होता है ना. But धीरे धीरे it's like I've just learned more with the years here in India.
And surprisingly, you have that Ram with you.
People point that out as well. वो मैंने सोचा नहीं, और वो मैंने भी सोचा नहीं जब मैंने second
Sita.
And you know, I love Krishna Bhagwan.
देखा.
I'm a big like I love Krishna consciousness a lot. So और वो मैंने सोचा नहीं जब मैंने बोला कि second R should be capital. मैंने वो राम के बारे में कभी नहीं सोचा. There's also something that people are pointing out.
Yeah.
So I'm finding all of this very interesting. Yeah. And like I went to Uttar Pradesh this year with India with Ellie. We went to Varanasi, Kashi Vishwanath.
Wow. Did you take a dip?
And I have not taken a dip. Not full dip. I have not taken. फिर उसके बाद वृंदावन, and you know ये सारे बहुत spiritual जगह, which is like very
all Krishna Nagari.
Yes, and
Hema Malini goes there and she's the MLA there, na? So she also feels that she has some celestial connections with Krishna.
कुछ तो है,
she's the MLA for consequent years.
That is so
she's
beautiful.
being chosen.
जब मैं वृंदावन गई, मतलब मुझे ऐसा सच में लगा कि यहीं पर मैं रह सकती हूँ.
क्या बात है?
Yes, the energy there is so pure. और वो मतलब एक अलग ही दुनिया है, कुछ और ही है. Seriously. So देखते हैं for how long Bhagwan wants me to still be in the entertainment industry, and then
it's all destiny.
Whatever. Yeah, exactly. इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये मेरा खुद का decision है, ये भगवान का decision है. And it's all just come to me all these years as I have just been open to all of this and like meeting different people and just learning. So
Learning.
I find it very yeah, very very interesting. It's
Yeah.
yeah.
And you gave me such an interesting conversation also. You always give that spiritual
Thank
thing. I
you.
remember when I spoke to you
I
last I
love to
met
talk
you.
spirituality. I
Yeah.
love
What is spirituality
regarding
to you now, you know? Because the life has gone ahead and you have learned so many things.
yeah.
And dealing solely with the life, you know, we learn so much.
Yes,
And we become
we
so
do.
positive, you know.
Yeah,
We
we do.
get that you know, vibes also when you enter a room. Ki, oh, this guy
Yeah.
is not positive. And
Like one
so
thing
what
which
is
I
it
have
like,
been
you
learning,
know?
ek to pehle se I was more towards religion. Ek to I'm born like a Greek
Christian.
Orthodox, Christian Greek Orthodox.
Oh.
So I was following that Christianity a lot. And I've always believed in angels a lot. And so I was more on that path. And then, of course, understanding Hinduism, understanding Islam. I love to discuss the different religions and understand how they follow them and, you know, all of that. But my latest discovery is this whole thing how spirituality actually religion nahi hai. It is not a religion.
It's just
It
the
is not
soul, the
yes,
humanness.
it's just soul. Yes, exactly.
People
Of
don't
just
understand.
being. It is not something कि ऐसा करना पड़ता है. No, there are certain things जो आपको करना पड़ता है, but आपके आत्मा के साथ, दिल के साथ, and understand कि हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, अंदर से क्या है जो आप कर रहे हो. ये पूरा बॉडी जो है ना, ये एक मंदिर के जैसा है, you know.
नश्वर है.
और आपको इसको संभालना है जैसे हम
नश्वर?
नहीं, sorry.
Destructive.
हाँ.
The body नश्वर है.
नश्वर है मतलब
means it goes back, you know, in the earth.
अच्छा, हाँ. नहीं, लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मतलब एक मंदिर के जैसा है, जैसा हम मंदिर को इतना इज्जत देते हैं कि कैसे संभालना रखना पड़ता है, साफ रखना पड़ता है, ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. आप समझो कि आपका बॉडी भी एक मंदिर के जैसा है. तो जब आप ये सोच रहे हो तब आप ध्यान रखेंगे कि कौन सा खाना खाते हो, किस तरीके से मैं बहुत सारी चीजें करते हो, यू नो, इट्स ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो दिस मतलब ये मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं एकदम परफेक्टली संभाल रहा हूँ, लेकिन वो एक रियलाइजेशन हुआ मुझे, तो वो हमेशा ध्यान में रखना पड़ता है. एंड इट हेल्प्स यू टू देन become even better, you know. And what I also understood with Hinduism is that it's a way of life. They are trying to teach you a way of living life in the best way so that you can become your best version, and so that you can end up doing what God has sent you for to do. Because all of us has a reason here. There's a reason why we have been born. We have all come here with, you know, to do something, you know. And that is not ki matlab bada ya chota. We cannot measure it like that. It can be anything. It can be you being a teacher, and maybe that is your purpose to be teaching these children or something. So but yeah, we can go on and talk about this for long because मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But अभी सोचो कि कहाँ पे मिलेगा मुझे एक ऐसा वाला बंदा जो ऐसी वाली बातें बैठ के करेंगे मेरे साथ.
It has to be like-minded people.
Exactly, वो like-minded.
You can be a good preacher, and I, since of my age, I know these things, and I also follow it.
Yeah, और बहुत बार क्या हो रहा है ना, unfortunately मुझे देख के लोग नहीं सोचेंगे कि मैं ऐसी बातें करूंगी, तो वो एक भी ये होता है. I have, for example, I have friends who have like got to know me, and they have first known me from this vibe.
The physical appearance, and
वो वाला vibe and my dancing, ये सब मैं करती हूँ, और दिमाग में कुछ सोचता है, फिर मुझे मिलते हैं और मैं ऐसी कृष्ण भगवान के बारे में बात करती हूँ, मंदिर ये सब बात करती हूँ, और वो ऐसे सोचते कि ये लड़की तो दिखती ऐसी लेकिन है कुछ और. Yeah, so
I can identify with you.
So that confusion, you know, happens. फिर मतलब it comes in the head कि अच्छा यहाँ पे तो मतलब वो, you know, जैसे लोग आते हैं भी मुझे मिलने के लिए, मैं हमेशा एक आश्रम के बारे में बात करती हूँ. मैं बोलती हूँ कि let's go to the ashram and all. So उन लोगों के दिमाग में कुछ और ही है.
Okay, let's
So,
go back to the
yeah, I'm
theaters now.
sorry.
Like, no, I will love to talk to you. I'll come to your place. We'll sit down and talk.
Yeah,
I love,
yes.
because I have also
And I'll
lived this
take you to
kind
this
of.
ashram also, which I'm telling you about.
Yeah,
जो मुझे अच्छा
please,
लगता है. It's
yeah,
very peaceful
please.
and nice.
So let's transform Ellie Abraham to Glitz and Glamour world. What is she
Okay,
doing
Glitz
now
and
again?
Glamour world.
Glitz and Glamour. Such a pretty.
Which I
little-
also enjoy, by the way.
Yeah,
हाँ?
of course.
वो मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है. So I think that also people should understand कि just because you love glitz and glamour does not mean कि अंदर से you're not spiritual.
Spiritual.
I think
yeah.
that is very important
Very,
for
yeah.
people to
So
understand.
what is she doing? What is she doing after this? What are the films and shows in her kitty? One is that show you said.
India with
Traveling,
Ali. Yeah, that's
India
my
with
travel
Alice.
show. But then I have
What
a
other
lot
things?
of other films.
बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो.
लेकिन मैंने अनाउंस नहीं किया है. जैसे
Oh.
मैंने ये भी अनाउंस नहीं किया है. मैंने गल्ला गोरिया भी अनाउंस नहीं किया है. वो गाना जो मैंने
अच्छा.
जस्सी गिल के साथ अभी किया है.
हाँ.
मैं ऐसी इंसान हूँ. मैं बस चुपचाप अपना काम करती हूँ और मैं ज्यादा शेयर नहीं करती हूँ कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ लाइफ में. बस आने दो. मतलब मैं ऐसी हूँ. बट बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो
फिर भी थोड़ा
आने
तो
वाले
हिंट
हैं
दो ना.
one
क्या
by
क्या
one.
कर रही हो? फिल्म्स कर रही हो?
फिल्म्स है.
किसके
फिल्म्स
साथ?
है.
साउथ
मैं
में कुछ
किसके
कर रही हो?
साथ तो थोड़ी बता सकती हूँ
अच्छा,
ना.
साउथ
हाँ.
में कुछ कर रही हो?
यस, साउथ में भी.
तेलुगु
Yes,
फिल्म?
बताऊंगी नहीं. साउथ में, बॉलीवुड में और एक
South
अलग
में, but
रीजनल
just tell
फिल्म.
me, are you doing a Telugu film in South? In Hyderabad with some director? That you tell me, bas.
No, it's not Telugu.
Acha,
It's not Telugu.
It's Malayalam or
It's
Tamil?
something else.
Acha,
It's something
okay, I
else.
don't want to
It's
pester
something
you.
else. And then
Okay.
another regional as well. Another
Acha.
regional also as well.
Ah.
Yeah. Where I have dubbed myself also.
Okay,
I always
Marathi?
make sure to
Marathi?
dub myself. मैं बोलूंगी नहीं.
अच्छा भैया ये कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी.
नहीं, मैं ऐसी हूँ. अगर आप मेरा पूरा हिस्ट्री भी देखोगे ना तो मैं ऐसी हूँ. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलती हूँ. जैसे मेरा फिल्म धनुष के साथ था तमिल में, वो भी एक सरप्राइज हुआ. किसी को नहीं पता था तब तक वो अनाउंस हुआ, रिलीज हुआ, ये सब. So I'm very sorry for that. Yeah.
We can
But,
go on and on, but these people are.
Yeah, I know. They are like,
we can go and
करेंगे वो, but
I love
I
to
can
talk
talk
also.
a lot.
Okay, on the concluding note, what would you like to this thing?
Yeah, audience को बस ये बताना है कि बेइंतहा देख लीजिए. वो अभी रिलीज हुआ है on Tips official YouTube channel. बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है. मतलब एक प्यारा कहानी है. बहुत सारे एक्शंस भी है और बहुत सारे ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स भी है और एंड में एक बहुत अच्छा सा सरप्राइज है.
मैसेज.
या सो नहीं, नॉट मैसेज. नहीं, ये कुछ मतलब ज्ञान वाला फिल्म नहीं है. बस एंड में एक अच्छा एलिमेंट है जो मुझे खुद बहुत पसंद है. सो देख लीजिए और कमेंट्स में लिखो आपका फेवरेट सीन या फेवरेट डायलॉग और आप बहुत सारा बेइंतहार प्यार दे दीजिए हमको.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.